OpenAI is back with yet another groundbreaking update for ChatGPT, and this time it's something that's truly set to redefine how we interact with AI. Introducing Canvas, a powerful new feature that takes ChatGPT's capabilities to a whole new level. If you thought ChatGPT was impressive before, wait until you see what Canvas can do. In today's video, we're diving deep into this latest upgrade, exploring how it transforms both writing and coding, and what it means for the future of AI-driven content creation. Let's get into it. The evolution of ChatGPT. Before we jump into Canvas, it's worth reflecting on how far ChatGPT has come. Since its inception, OpenAI's ChatGPT has been revolutionizing everything from content creation to problem solving and even complex coding tasks. However, there's always been a gap between interaction and user control. With Canvas, OpenAI is closing that gap. This new feature shifts the paradigm. Instead of just typing prompts and receiving responses, users can now visually organize their thoughts, drafts, and code snippets on a blank canvas. Think of it like a brainstorming tool integrated with AI. But that's just the tip of the iceberg. What is Canvas and why is it game-changing? So what exactly is Canvas? Imagine a large, flexible workspace where you can visually map out your ideas, move elements around, and collaborate with ChatGPT in real time. It's like a digital whiteboard but powered by one of the most advanced AIs in the world. This feature is especially powerful for coders and writers. Instead of working linearly, you now have the freedom to break down tasks visually, lay out components, and see the relationships between different sections. It's a productivity tool on steroids. Whether you're drafting an article, designing code architecture, or brainstorming complex workflows, Canvas enables you to tackle everything from a bird's eye view while leveraging ChatGPT's capabilities at every step. According to OpenAI's recent showcase from the video linked, one of the standout features is the multimodal approach. ChatGPT doesn't just process text on Canvas, it can handle images, markdowns, and even code snippets seamlessly. This opens up massive possibilities for creative professionals and developers alike. How Canvas supercharges writing and content creation. Canvas transforms the writing process by providing a single, intuitive workspace for organizing drafts, research, and ideas. You can easily break down your writing into sections, drag and drop content, and collaborate with ChatGPT to generate, edit, or expand text. No more juggling between multiple apps. Everything happens in one space. Canvas for coders, a developer's dream tool. For developers, Canvas simplifies managing code by using visual blocks, real-time debugging, and collaboration. You can organize projects, run code, and get instant feedback from ChatGPT. It's a powerful tool for improving workflow and productivity. Canvas, more than just a tool. Canvas redefines how we interact with AI by making the workspace more visual and collaborative. This upgrade shows how AI will continue to integrate into our daily tasks, offering creativity, flexibility, and real-time interaction. Canvas is just the beginning of a new era for AI-driven tools. Whether you're writing, coding, or brainstorming, this feature will revolutionize your workflow. If you haven't tried it yet, now is the time to explore how it can enhance your productivity and creativity. Canvas is changing the game in AI interaction. It's a must-try for anyone looking to streamline their writing or coding process. Let me know in the comments how you plan to use Canvas.